Holy shit, Capuchin's back! Anyways, yeah, this is me and Fort. Me and Fort, we got Julian and Cosmic here. We're gonna go be silly. We're gonna go be silly. Come here, 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 Julian, 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 Julian. I'm gonna grab you, you grab me. Julian, grab me. Julian, Julian. Cosmic, let go. Cosmic, let go. Grab me, and then shake. Shake your hands. Shake your hands.
I'm trying to.
Shake your hands.
Stop.
Oh, there he goes. Okay, guys, we're going to horror. We're going to the horror mode. Screw everything else. We don't care about that. Ow.
Cosmic, come here right now. Now let's go.
Come and do.
Oh, what? Wait, what?
Fort, help. Fort,
Yo, guys, the
Fort,
flashlight
help.
on your head. I totally didn't know about that.
Fort, help. Fort, help.
Oh.
Help.
No. Oh. Okay. Fort, what are you doing? Where's Cosmic?
Where are my hands pulled?
Oh, Cosmic suck, he told me.
You know what? We're leaving Cosmic behind. Let's go.
Bye, Cosmic.
Is he bugged? He's bugged. Let's go. He's bugged. He's bugged. He's
Yay!
bugged. Never mind. He's not bugged.
He's not.
No! You're not getting away with this one, buddy. Julian, lead Fort to the exit. Actually, never mind. Fort, follow me. Fort, you're gonna follow me.
You guys move.
We'll get the safe zone.
We're touching.
But my headset wasn't even charging.
Hey.
Quick.
Don't tell me he's actually camping.
Is he?
No, he
I
isn't.
feel like he is.
Never mind,
he
he
is
is.
at the
He
same
is.
Run.
The less beeping, the better.
What the?
Oh my god!
Let me in.
And
Sacrifice myself.
well, I can't. My headset's bugging.
I'm
God.
a survivor. Oh, he did it clap for me.
Oh, more dela, more dela, more dela. Brains.
Shoot. Oh, fudge. Okay, jump down the hole. Fort, let go of me, jump down the hole. Alright, back. Okay, what you do is you bash your head through the door.
Door.
You actually just jump straight into the door.
Wait.
Okay.
Oh, finally you made it.
Yo, guys, I'm gonna show y'all something funny. So you guys,
Wait,
you gotta be quiet on this level because it's voice recognition. So if you guys see that, you see this thing right here, you want to touch it, okay?
Okay.
Why would you lift it? It goes boom for it. It goes boom. I thought that was obvious.
Don't move or do it.
Just Fort, come on. There's more.
And
Alright, guys, no thinking, just run.
Guys, I haven't even.
Oh, hi.
oh,
What is this?
Buddy Fazbear?
How? Okay, I'm just gonna lock in. Guys, I'm
What if I
locking
look?
in.
Hold up, look away,
Somebody
look
help
away.
me,
Someone look away.
please.
Someone look away. Look away. Someone look away. Look away. Everyone look away.
Guys, somebody help me. Somebody.
Oh, you have to look at him.
What's this?
I'll look at him. Okay, I'm sorry.
Oh.
Your turn now.
Guys, can somebody go to
Bro,
level
this
1?
is scary. I don't like you, Blue.
How do I get out?
Go
I'm gonna
ahead.
go level 1.
We can't, bro.
No.
Help.
Well,
Oh my
I'm
God.
literally by myself. I'm too scared to go by myself.
Oh, don't turn behind you. Don't look behind you. Oh, I see one of the things I need to grab. Hold on.
Oh,
I got it.
You getting me, Arrow? You
Yeah.
my pookie?
Bombs!
Arrow, where are you?
I have no clue, buddy.
I'm waiting for my answer to charge a little bit.
What?
It's
A
literally
thunder
going
weird room,
down.
guys.
Hi. Oh.
Slowly but
Green, why are you
surely.
here? Green, green, no, I don't like this. I don't like this.
This is not Huggy,
Yeah.
whatever that game was on mobile.
No! There we go.
Arrow.
I got the last battery for the portal.
Arrow.
Wait, I don't even know where the first battery is.
Y'all gotta find the batteries. I'm not waiting. Oh my god.
I don't have it.
For help.
What are we supposed to do?
Get me out of here.
What? Oh my god. Get Port now.
Now, I could waste my time climbing the watchtower, but I'm just gonna jump into this guy.
I'm so lost. Oh my gosh.
Hi,
that's
buddy.
so- I'm going crazy. Ah.
Cover
That
your
one.
green.
Oh.
Anyways, guys, that's the end of this video. I lost the other people down in the thingies, so just me up here. Wait, why am I? Wait. What if I slide? I slide against the wall. Boing. Hold on, wait. Wait. Oh, I'm still recording. Wait.